Thinking about the Trane XR17, here's what homeowners need to know before choosing this system. The XR17 is one of Trane's premium air conditioner options, designed to provide more consistent temperatures, better humidity control, and higher efficiency than basic single-stage systems. The biggest difference is its multi-speed compressor, which allows the system to adjust its output depending on cooling demand instead of simply turning fully on or off. The XR17 delivers up to 18 SEER2 efficiency. SEER2 is the updated efficiency standard used for modern HVAC equipment and reflects more realistic operating conditions. Higher efficiency systems can help reduce cooling costs, especially when replacing older air conditioners. Traditional AC systems run at one speed. They're either fully on or fully off. The XR17 can run at different levels. Most of the time it operates around 70% capacity and ramps up to 100% during hotter conditions. This helps provide more consistent indoor temperatures, better humidity control, and fewer noticeable temperature swings. The XR17 also includes ComfortSeek technology, which adjusts compressor performance based on outdoor temperatures. It uses the new R454B refrigerant designed to meet updated environmental standards. And like other Trane systems, it's built with durable features like the spine fin coil and corrosion-resistant construction. If you're not sure which air conditioning system is best for your home, call Affordable Comfort. Home comfort made easy.